Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys a quick haul. You guys, it's super late and I have like a ghetto setup here. I purchased this like $5 lamp in Walmart today, and I figured it's not that bad. I think you could kind of see pretty good, right? Look at that. Not too bad, right? So I want to show you guys what I picked up. I went to Walmart and to Michael's, and I want to show you some things that the Paper Treasury Ada sent me today. I got so many packages today, you guys, but I need time to film them because I want to do good lighting and stuff like that when it comes to the entries, because they're so amazing and I want you guys to see them in really good quality. But let's get on with the haul. It's 10:46 and we're just gonna do this because I want you guys to have a video. So you guys, a couple of, I think months ago maybe, they had the Coastal Village on clearance where they had these glitters. Maybe it was like about a month or 2 months ago, because that's when I got all the washies. They had these and I picked up one and I paid like $1 something for it. You guys, I found one today just stashed in the store and it was 80 cents. Can you believe that? 80 cents and you get 12 pieces. Like, that's a steal, you guys. If I would have seen like 5 of them, I would have bought all 5. So I picked that up. I also picked up these super cute flowers. I'm going to keep everything here because when I bring it up close, it gets dark because the light is not up here. So we're just going to keep it right here. I saw, I forgot her name. I think it's Miss Eddie Blue she's on here. She posted, she lives in Canada, and she posted these beautiful flowers that she purchased. Look, you guys, they're so like unicornish. That's Tony's word, unicornish. So I figured, why not? There was one left and I picked it up and I got it with my coupon. So I got them for like $4. So that's that. And then I picked up some pink tulle, which looks like this. Nothing too exciting. Let's move that this way. And then I picked up the lever punch, the 1.5 inch. These are on sale right now for I think $10, and they have like a whole mixture. So like all their punches are $10 right now. So I do have the 1 inch and the 2 inch, but I didn't have the 1.5 inch. So now I do. And then I finally got my hands on some Wink Stella. Ever since I saw Tony with this, I've been wanting to get it and I always forget. And today I saw it in Michael's and I used my coupon on it, because when I go with my wife, I make her pay for some stuff and then I pay for some stuff. You know, you got to do what you got to do. And I know the girls there, so they let me do like multiple transactions, because I made another one for my ATG gun tape so that I can get this for like $3. So I got that. And then you guys, Solange had posted that she had picked up some of this like 1/8 ribbon to make tassels, and I fell in love with all the colors that she had purchased, so I purchased a bunch, and these are all the colors that I picked, and these are like 50 cents each. So I got like the teal blue, the lavender, the like turquoise, the baby pink, the yellow, the mint green, the darker pink, another lighter pink, like more pastel-y pink, like a sky blue, and then the white one. Aren't they adorable, you guys? I love them. Every time I went to Michael's, I kept forgetting them, but this time I made sure I didn't forget them because they're so beautiful. And then the last things I want to show you are the things that Ada sent me, and she sent me some cute little straws with the banana leaves. I love them. She sent me some little scatter. She had hauled these and I said that I liked them, and she sent me some. These are cute. They're like little diamonds, but in pink. These are good to put in Happy Mail. She also sent me some table scatter, the banana leaves, and the flamingos. I never found any of these in any dollar stores around me, so I'm glad she sent them to me. Thank you so much. And then she sent me tissue paper because I had seen this a while back when she had hauled it, and she had it from way back when, and she sent it to me. I love it. I love this floral tissue paper. It's so beautiful. So she sent me 2 packs of that, and this teal blue is so cute. I love that. So thank you so much, girlie, for that. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is these baskets that I picked up in Walmart. You guys, how beautiful are these baskets? They're like rose gold, and you get 2 in a pack for like $3.50. Do you guys see how beautiful these are? Like, they're gorgeous. So I picked up 2 of those, and then I picked up the lamp that you guys are technically underneath. So yeah, you guys, that's, I'm trying to look around, everything I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this ghetto fabulous haul, but I just want to give you guys a video. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.